Alright, tough nerds, what's up? We back at this again. You know what's up with the Diamond Skull. This time we're not gonna jump back into the 90s. I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do one that somebody requested. It's called Locksmith. From what I see, it's got Xzibit. What? I haven't heard of Xzibit in a while, dog. And Xzibit used to be one of my favorite rappers, you know what I'm saying? Like, I used to fucking flow with Xzibit all the time. He has some good stuff, yo. So, I'm gonna be happy to hear Xzibit again. And RAAS KAAS, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't hear too much RAAS KAAS, but I know who he is. He's, you know, he's from back in the days as well. This is called With God. I'm not sure when this came out, but it premiered here on YouTube April 7th, 2020. So I guess it's pretty new. I mean, I don't know how old the actual song is, or I'm not sure if there's actual premiere of this song, but let's get into it. You know what's up? Right here we have I'm gonna have the culture vulture right here with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be judging if the song is good or not. You know, it's gonna be just riding right here on my shoulder, chilling. You know, and all right. Without further ado, let's get down with this. Hold on, let me make this big screen. All right. So it's been a while since I heard like Xzibit for real. So it's gonna be crazy hearing Xzibit again. All right, let's get into this. 3, 2, 1, go! Action! Xzibit boy, RAAS KAAS. I don't know who that is, Brady.
I was raised in a different era. The set of values that y'all use can never perish. Y'all confuse celebrity with integrity, so I regrettably readily expose what's in the mirror. Bitch nigga, what the business is. Fake rappers do more damage than any musical did. Now the
fake rappers do more damage than any... What did he say? Let me try to rewind that again, because he spit some fire shit right there.
Bitch nigga, what the business is. Fake rappers do more damage than any musical did. Now the Pharisee is been peppered in the era ends. They done got better at cooning than most of these niggas is. Step and fetch some recognition. Do we really like this shit or just victims of repetition? If we repetition and picking the least most definitive. I don't follow trends, they purposely try to limit his. Let's eliminate the labels on the genre. Let the labels like take fate in the form of karma. If you call me disagree, then they label you as a problem. I'ma be a thorn in their side till they embalm them.
Tight. I wanna hear Xzibit, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, dying to hear that motherfucker right now. It's a shame. Niggas in the rap game, in the money game. Paparazzi, remember that Xzibit? That paparazzi was fire back then, boy. If you know what I'm talking about, then you were listening to some good rap music back then.
Was raised with respect, so
what?
By a code that was laid by the
can't confuse that voice.
Y'all niggas pay homage to your ancestors. When y'all niggas be honest, you let the man get you. Tap dancing, man tanning,
talking about man.
Bandwagon and hand slapping and grand dragon. I hate the fact that I was right with them. Percent of the weak shit is hogging up the light. And why it's only poor niggas pouring up this bright. I survived the struggle. I'm blessed, driven, and humble. When I pour libation, I usually.
Dude, I'm not even gonna lie, like. I'm like catching his lyrics, but I'm just like riding to his voice, dog. His voice is fucking just hypnotizing. It's just like flow, bro. It's flow. His voice is... I miss this motherfucker's music, man, you know, for real. I'm gonna rewind that a little bit. His fucking voice is off the chain. One more again.
I was right with them, percent of the weak shit is hogging up the light. And why it's only poor niggas pouring up this bright. I survived the struggle, I'm blessed, driven, and humble. When I pour libation, I usually make it a double, yeah. Cause I came from King T, I MC, I kill rappers, and think backwards, so it's like yo fuck. Catch fakes between takes, and I touch y'all up. Let's loop the beat breaks, watch me fuck y'all up.
Xzibit looking a little bit, you know, thick, you know what I'm saying, a little chubbier. Rewind that again, dog. Just fucking, I'm just riding to his voice, man. I'll hear the lyrics later, I guess, man, but I'm catching some of it, but, you know.
From King T, I MC, I kill rappers, and think backwards, so it's like yo fuck. Catch fakes between takes, and I touch y'all up. Let's loop the beat breaks, watch me fuck y'all up. That's on God we trust, Xzibit. We walk with God.
That shit was fire. Diamond Skull status for real. It's like looking nostalgic hearing this voice, like for real, like just take me back in the days.
To the motherland, our future is backwards. Black shorts, hijacked noise became the black horse. Rap wars, what snitches getting stacks for? Marcus Garvey, Black Star pilot, Blackbird. Only
Black
real
Star.
ones come aboard, we don't want to accord. They said Jesus, like you love the Lord. Born again like Jason on Tornado.
Bring the rap back.
Control the prophecy, so they
Rap lives matter.
I read the haters, dig it verbatim.
Real rap lives matter.
This is called rap. Y'all say we too lyrical. That's like making square basketballs, not physical. Dumb shit, you repeat it.
He just said some fat shit right there. Hold on. He said something about lyrical. Hold up. I want to hear that shit again.
Electrocute a nigga like rain. This is called rap. Y'all say we too lyrical. That's like making square basketballs, not physical.
Oh shit, he says this is the rap game. Y'all saying we're too lyrical? That's like making square basketballs, not spherical. What? It's true, man. How the fuck you can say you too lyrical in the rap game? You fucking stupid, man. Come on. Rap is about lyrics, man. About storytelling, metaphors, double entendres. Come on, man.
Rap, y'all say we too lyrical. That's like making square basketballs, not physical. Masters that dumb shit, you repeat it, tickable. You dumb nigga, you. Pay hit you like blips. What they spindle do? Then get physical flip. Invent more styles, Simone Biles in his bitch.
I can swear I'm back in the fucking 90s. I can swear I'm back in the fucking 90s. For real, yeah. Back in the fucking 90s. I said it, yeah. It's about time, man. You know, like, okay, mumble rap, they did their thing. It's just a bad though. It's just a bad though, man. It's coming back. It's coming back. I'm inspired now. I'm gonna go back into the 90s and do an Xzibit fucking paparazzi reaction. I will read it because I've heard that song before. Fucking Xzibit. I think it's the one from MTV, right? Like Pit My Whip or My Ride or My Crib or some shit. I think it was Pit My Whip. Yo, the video is fire, bro. This video is off the chain. Alright, man, you know what's up, man. That song definitely deserves a fucking Diamond Skull. Vultures 100% on it. You know what I'm saying? That song is fire. Like and subscribe. Follow a tough nerd through his fucking rap game journey. Like and subscribe, man, and be part of society. Peace.